it's Amelia, and this is the first in a series of videos on Microsoft PowerPoint. In this video, I'll review the components of the PowerPoint screen and discuss PowerPoint templates. Let's get started. So PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software program that allows you to create and show a series of slides containing text, graphics, and multimedia. It's part of the Microsoft Office suite. So showing here is Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. You can follow along even if you have PowerPoint 2013, 2010, or 2007, and I will point out any differences in the different versions. So the familiar menu bar is here at the top, File, Home, Insert, etc., and the ribbon is beneath the menu bar. And depending on what you have clicked on the menu, the ribbon will change. And just wanted to point out a few more components on the screen. So I already mentioned about the menu bar and the ribbon, and I do want to mention that there's a lot of commands in the ribbon, and I'm going to be focusing on specific sections of the ribbon in different videos. So I also want to mention that on the left you have your slide thumbnails, and I'm just going to flip over to another PowerPoint presentation that has just a few more slides, just so I can show you, if I click on a thumbnail on the left, that you'll see the particular slide in view in the main pane here. And then on the bottom, the slide number, you can see how many slides there are and what slide you're positioned on. And then over on the bottom right, you can toggle the notes area, open and close that area, and also the comments pane, which in this version of PowerPoint 2016 is over on the right. And then there's different views here. So right now I'm in normal view, and I can also switch over to slide sorter view, which looks like this. I can switch to reading pane, which looks like this and allows you to kind of scroll through the pages like a book. And finally, I have the slideshow mode, which basically allows you to just test it out and view it in slideshow mode. So I'm just going to escape out of there. So for now, let's discuss what PowerPoint can be used for. It's more than just a program to create a slideshow. You can create a simple or complex series of slides, for instance, for a live presentation, either in person or online, such as an online meeting or WebEx. You can create a self-running slideshow containing images, music, and other multimedia. You can create an interactive document with links to other pages or external links, and you can even save that as a PDF document. You can create a video to showcase graphics, photos, and other multimedia. You can also create step-by-step training on any topic. And you can also create a quick reference guide or infographic. Now, those are just some examples that I thought of, but there's, many more uses, but that would give you a basic idea of what you can use PowerPoint for. Now, PowerPoint offers a variety of templates to get started. So you don't necessarily have to start from scratch. This picture here is this really cool 3D cube animation, and that is a template, and I'll be showing that in an upcoming video. So let's take a look at how you would access PowerPoint templates. You would click File, New, and you'll see a series of template thumbnails, and you have several options to help you narrow down the templates for a specific topic or category. First, you have the search bar here. So for instance, you could type one or more words to narrow down. So let's just say I type in the word training, and I can press enter or click on this little magnifying glass, and that will search any template that is related to the word training. Let's go ahead and try another phrase. I'll type in business plan and search, and that will narrow it down and pull up any templates related to the phrase business plan. And anytime you want to return back to the first screen with the template thumbnails that we first saw, you could just click on the home button here, and it will take you back to the first screen. So in addition to searching, you can also click on any of these categories, presentations, business, education, etc., and that will narrow it down for you based on that category. So here we are going to see thumbnails specifically related to just PowerPoint presentations. and I'm going to go ahead and click home. If you did want to start from scratch, you can go ahead and click a blank presentation. That would open up a plain white slide for you to start from scratch. Now, if you single click on a thumbnail, for instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on gallery, you'll see that the thumbnail will enlarge. And what's nice is in the newer versions of PowerPoint, this is again PowerPoint 2016, you can click on the left arrow here or the right arrow, and it will allow you to scroll through the different templates. And some templates, not all, have a different color schemes that you can click on. And for instance, I click here and it will change the color scheme and just show you what it looks like. And for some templates, it's going to give you an option to see additional images. So if I click on the left and right arrows here, it's going to show you additional slides that are in the template. So that's a good way to scroll through, if the option is there, to see placeholder slides that are available within that template. Now, once you find a template that you wanted to download and give it a try, you can click on Create right here, and it will go ahead and select that particular template, and then you can get started customizing it and creating your own slideshow. Well, that's it for today's video. Check back soon for more videos containing all kinds of tips, tricks, and shortcuts, special effects, and animation. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.